Hi guys. I just want to do a quick PA and just took 100% of a profit. So basically, I was in kind of took a risk for this area. So basically, it's 15. Just a quick, very quick post analysis. So basically, I draw a big square over here, and at the same time I went back to a daily to check a big trap. I consider this kind of very strong trap of buyers, and then well, I definitely noticed that, and but at the same time it was the day of yesterday. I was waiting for a pro to go back up and hit for buys, but then yesterday I didn't want to take it. Yesterday I didn't took a trade around here yesterday. Either Lucas, I just want to say thank you, Lucas, for yesterday of the conference. Either that, but I feel something is kind. Before it was gold, but then I was waiting for kind of sort of the pullback for yesterday. But since I didn't take the trade just went all the way to here, and I kind of just watch it and without taking a trade. And I feel that today is not a trade day. For go for a buy. So I missed the London. I didn't wake up for London, and I need to catch up my schedule. So I was sitting down and just sort of look at it. Okay, here's the seller trap, and here is the how the pullback start began. Which is the last seller for the last seller. Correct me if I'm wrong. So last seller and buyer, and last seller came up, and buyer just take it and kind of have a little tiny range over there. But I went to investigate deeper with smaller time frame, so I could see. Okay, what happened to you? Okay, let me cancel this. Okay, let me switch it to a big time frame. Okay, so I went to a lower time frame, which is this is a big time frame. I went to a lower time frame. So I went to a lower time frame to check it out. Which trap area will be available? Either this one or either that little tiny guy right there. But I consider this time kind of big one. But also consider the small one over here. But yeah, I kind of need a feedback for that one because I've been study of UF training. Been watching Ian. It was very valuable for a journey of Ian UF training, and it taught me a lot. So at this point, in 1 hour, it was showing me it could be a chance to another sell. That's what I'm thinking. Could be a chance to another sell, but and at the same time, I say, at same time, I don't want to be in the what they call the donkey price, and I feel I found an edge. Try to get a price from here, from this area, but I didn't. So okay, let me cancel the drawing. So it didn't. So I kind of push it and kind of don't, but depending on how my feeling is. And at the same time, I'm very careful of monitoring it. And the big move, I just say, okay, was London, and I was thinking if London could push again, I go for it. But I went to a very small time frame, and then afterward was 11:54 around there. I was trying to sell from here, but it took me out a little bit, and I just scratch it off. So from there, I scratch it off from there, but I just let the buyer come in more and more, and I could see this is the donkey price, but I just hold. Now I notice I keep saying in the back of my mind, I said, oh, I just hope it sell again because the London session, the strong move. But then I was reading this, which is the seller came really strong over here, but this area is feel like Asian session didn't doing anything, so I was just waiting for London session would do something about it. So from here, I let the buyer do again, and I saw a rejection, and I was like, I'm gonna take my chance. But then I see a chance of the seller was going choppy, like 4 candle choppy. I say, I'm gonna scratch this off 100% for now. Hopefully I could take another trade for later, but I think so far I don't want to take another trade because of this area, and I feel okay. One trade is enough for me, and just had to continue to study more and try to get that out of my chest. And from there, please give me feedback for GBP Swift franc, and I feel I'm in the donkey price. I feel this is the right way to scratch the trade off, and yeah, that's basically it. So I mark it over here, and I feel this is a donkey price. Is maybe they'll act a range or a channel, but it doesn't matter. I scratch the surfer. They don't want to do money management for now. Try to get my trade and out from there as much as I can. Thank you. Please give me feedback, and that's it.